Looking for the ultimate beach getaway? Look no further. Join us on a virtual tour of the world's most breathtaking coastal destinations, where sun, sand, and adventure await. Unearth paradise in Bora Bora, often referred to as the gem of the Pacific. Crystal clear waters, lavish overwater bungalows, and vibrant marine life make it a dream come true for snorkeling and scuba diving enthusiasts. Experience a tropical utopia in Seychelles, with untouched beaches, awe-inspiring rock formations, and a sanctuary for massive tortoises and marine life at the UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Aldabra Atoll. Indulge in luxury and romance in the Maldives, known for its exclusive water villas, vibrant coral reefs, and warm hospitality, making it a prime destination for honeymooners and discerning travelers. Tulum effortlessly combines history and charm, offering ancient Mayan ruins, stunning Caribbean waters, and authentic Mexican cuisine by the shore. Ready to embark on an unforgettable beach adventure? Visit these amazing coastal destinations and create lifelong memories.